Engineer Sonny Orok, the director of Heaven on Earth Farms. Right now, we just finish the construction of our modern pigs farms with the capacity of we are looking at 5,000 pigs. But this structure will handle 2,000 pigs for now. Then we move on to the next phase up there. And today the pigs will arrive tomorrow, so we are bringing the feed, and this feed is produced by us, Heaven on Earth Farms. It's a concentrate pigs for feed for pigs. So we are bringing it now in preparation for the arrival of our pigs tomorrow. So my humble name is Engineer Sunday Orok. 08032329898. The number you can contact is 08032329898. This is all the feed now. Let me show you. We just arrived now. This is the pig's feed. You can look at it here. So they will be eating this concentrate feed for now, and until we expand, more pigs are coming. But right now, on arrival, we are going to bring in tomorrow 5 pregnant pigs in pits, 5, and 40 growers to start with. Come with me, let me show you the construction. Please do well to subscribe on our YouTube. Just press the red button and subscribe. Look at it. Look at the structure. These are the nipples for their drinkers. So here will be as dry as, we don't want any dirty, and they will be feeding on a dry feed. Dry feed. You can see this is where the feeder is. They'll be feeding on this. There's nothing like water here. When they are feeling heat, we take them to their swimming pool, which I will show you. Look at it. See?
People where they will work for that. You just pick only this one and this one just come on like that.
See? Okay. Can you see this? Ah, yeah. I believe you love this construction. Love it? Please do well to subscribe. 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 So that we'll be informing you, showing you more of our video that will enlighten you on these agro matters. When you talk of feed production, animal feed production, pigs feed production, snail pigs production, floating fish production, and chicken pigs production, please consult us. And the construction of their house, even the equipment to produce the feed, that is what we specialize on. Do well to consult us. Even on Head Farms is doing well. Even on Head Farm is doing well. Look at what we have done. We even plant this one in our farm over there, and then we harvest it. Look at the corn that we have harvested in their farm. We still use it for their own, feed. We do it. So please do well to make sure that you consult us. We are located in Port Harcourt, but we consult for every country of the world. No matter where you are, just consult us to do it for you. We do it for you. I tell you, you will never regret contacting us. We appreciate you watching. We appreciate you. Please do well to send this link to your friends, your relatives, farmers, intended farmers. Even if they don't know how to do it, if they consult us, we'll do it for them. We also manage farm for people. We do a lot. Is it fish farm? Is it poultry farm? Is it goat farm? Snail farm. The largest snail farm in Rivers State and Akwa Ibom State is constructed by us, even on Head Farms. It's there. Evidence is there. They are reaping in millions. We are not just bragging. We are not just talking farm gist. No, we are practically in this business, and this is our 19 years in this business. Study this in Kenya, come back, animal feed production, consulting for farms and all that, and we want to implement it here. We already implement it here in our own country, and that is why we want all farmers in Nigeria not to lose hope. We are here for them. Any challenge you have in our group, please do well to call us. If what we can offer you freely, we do that free of charge. If what we need to charge money, we do that. Please do that. Do well to consult us. God bless you as you are watching. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Remain blessed and make sure that no farmers, no nation. No food, no life. Food is life. So please do well to click and subscribe, or call us, or write to us. Take it to God at Yahoo. Take it to God at yahoo.com. Take it to God in one word at yahoo.com, or call us 080-3232-9898. If you are not in Nigeria, 234-080-3232-9898. Thank you.